Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Trust me, this one is totally time saver. I will show you how to set your YouTube playback speed permanently so you don't have to change it every single time. Open any video on your YouTube. Now, for me, I'm gonna tap on any video. Okay, just
Know that
just
feeling
tap
when
on
someone says something that
pause. Now you will see an option of setting or like a gear icon on the right side of top. Just click on here and then you will see an option called playback speed. Just tap on it and now pick your preferred speed. Maybe it will be 1.25x if you like it bit faster, and if you want just apply it. And here
ruins
your
your entire
video
day.
now will continue.
What if I told you that
into
feeling only
0.5
lasts 90
speed.
seconds?
Trust me, once you get used to fast playback, normal speed feel painfully slow. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. We are just getting started, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.